Hello everyone, and I welcome all of you to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. Friends, there is a good news here, and there is an update here by Mindtree. So Mindtree is going to hire 2019 and 2020 graduates. So friends, this recruitment is not for 2021 batch. And friends, this link will be given in description. So please subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you do not miss any kind of job updates. So friends, let us see what is the job description. So Mindtree campus software engineer C1 role. So let us know few things about Mindtree and watch the video till the end because I am going to tell you how to apply and what are the eligibility criteria. And friends, all the information you can also get it from our Telegram group. So do join our Telegram group. So about Mindtree. So in just 20 years, we have grown into a global leader. So 1 billion plus annual revenue, 350 active clients, 21,000 employee. Mindtree Minds headquartered in Bangalore and New Jersey, 45 offices in 17 country and $20 billion annual revenue of parent company Larsen and Turbo. So basically, Mindtree is acquired by Larsen and Turbo. Our ideal campus recruits. Okay, so you can go through this, friends. Okay, then. So what is the remuneration and benefits? Okay, so compensation and benefits we need to look at. So friends, the job compensation, that means there is a salary of 3,50,000 per annum, stipend 22,000 per month. Okay, and designation in software engineer, service agreement 2 years, and if you break the service agreement you need to pay 2 lakhs. Okay, competency band C1, promotion and increments, so in line with HR policy. So according to the HR policies, you'll be getting the promotions and increment. Now friends, so let us see what is the eligibility criteria. So graduation, BE BTech, and you should have scored 65% or 6.5 CGPA and above. 10th and 12th, 60% or 6 CGPA and above. Backlogs, so up to one active backlogs is allowed in graduation. Gaps, less than 1 year is allowed. No gaps during engineering degree. IT stream, information technology and computer science only will be able to apply from the IT streams. Circuit streams, so if you're from electronics and communication, electrical engineering, electrical and electronics, electronics and instrumentation, electronics and telecommunication, or telecommunication, then you will be able to apply for this. Mechanical, civil will not be able to apply for this. Interview and assessment process, so software engineer selection process of campus. So first you will have aptitude test, then you will have coding test, then technical screening, then technical discussion. Okay, and friends, then HR interview. You can see aptitude test will be online and your technical discussions and screening will be virtual. So there is no offline screening. Okay, our learning program, so this you can go ahead with this. And then friends, register by clicking this link. So this link will be also given in the description. You need to fill your first name. So friends, my first name is Pratik. There is no middle name, so many people will not have middle name. Pratik Srivastava, right? Okay, gender is male. University registration number, friends, so you'll have a university registration number. So my university registration number was IMS 08 EC 075. I could still remember. Then 21st 11 1989. Mobile number, okay, only one cell number without. Okay, so 8088452760. Email ID, so it is online study you at gmail.com. Degree, institute name, so I'll be filling at MSRIT. Institute CT, so Bangalore, and state is Karnataka. Institute region, so north, sorry, it's south. Okay, qualification BE. And then select your branch, so you can select. So for me it was electronics and communication. Year of passing, so only 19 and 20. Okay, enter your university registration number as per your semester marks card. So you need to fill your university registration number. Okay, so I'll fill something. Okay, fine. So you can see there are two things they're asking. One, they're asking university, your university registration. Okay, even same thing, same details you can fill it here. Okay, then have you participated in any campus process? No. Graduation percentage in CGPA, multiply by 10 and write, so 85. 8.5 if you have, multiply by 10 and write. Do you have any supplementary backlogs? No. 12th percentage, so 64 percentage. Okay, percentage is not required. 10th percentage 71. And are you working in a company? No. Will you able to join? Yes. Okay. Then do you have a valid PAN card in your name? uh, if we'll put yes. Okay. Do you have a valid Aadhaar card number? Yes. They should not ask. Okay. How do you rate yourself in OOPS? So beginner level. Choose your favorite programming language. So C, C++. Have you participated in hackathons or coding competition? I'll put no. Okay. So have you built any application tools website? So I will write online study for you.in, my website itself. Do you have, okay, these are not mandatory ones. Okay. Do you declare that information? Yes. Do you agree to privacy policy? Yes. And then you click on submit. So once you click on submit, thank you for applying. We will review your application and reach you back if eligible only. So friends, if your resume is really impressive, right? And whatever details you have fails, then definitely you will get a call. Friends, do not forget to subscribe our YouTube channel because I want you to get all the details, and then you will definitely get a job maybe today or tomorrow. All the best. Keep rocking.